Ito par, na-edit ko na to February 20, so hindi ko lang na-upload. Ito par, panoorin mo. Dito parang pick na sana ako ng badang par. XP na ako, 'di ba? With to par. Mag-show na ako dito par. Ayan, pinakita ko ng XP ako. So, di ko akalain par, na pick pala par. Wait. So, wala akong pagpipilian par. Ito par, bago tong buff. Si Uranus. Uranus tayo par kasi na-pick yung badang natin. Sa mga nahihirapan dyan, paano magantay sa badang? Ito par, tignan itong video na to. Let's go!
And how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun.
Di ba par, tignan nyo, napauwi natin yung badang par. Ito lang talaga antay sa badang par. Yung mga nahihirapan dyan, try nyo na to, Uranus.
Late now, I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
Dito par, akala ko walang sanib si Angela par. Pero wala par, kami pa yung napatay par. May sanib kasi par, kung wala yun, di ba par, patay na yun. Dalawa na kasi kami dito par, kaso lang sumanib yung Angela par, kaya ayun, take down ako.
Late nights, long fights.
Ito par, 4 minutes na par, kaya na to palagan par. Kahit mag-invade na ako dito par, kaya na to par. Wala na yung damage sa atin par. Tignan nyo naman paano yantayin yung badang par. Ganyan tayo kalakas par. Power hug na yan par. Ayun par, nag-rest back yung dalawa par. Dito na to par.
Drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Pero totoo par, magaling yung mage namin par. Magaling mag-rotate.
It's too late now.
Sana lahat ng mage nito par, sana ganito. mag-rotate agad par. Pero depende yan par. Pag nahirapan siya sa mid, di yan talaga makarotate yung mid par. Diba? Diba mga mid user?
And how careless we could be. 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 And how careless we could be.
Too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it all?
Ito par, 7 minutes sa par. Wala na yung damage sa ating badang par. Tignan nyo namang live ko. Di ko akalain par na wala yung badang dito par. Ayun. Hinahanap ko par. Hello par, saan na yun? Doon na pala par, nakauwi par. Uwi sa base nila par.
Before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God,
Dito par, kaya ko talaga siya par mag-isa. Pero nung dumating yung kampi niya par, pero hindi pa ako na-takedown par. Ganyan siya katigas par.
I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat. Not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back. Don't react, no react. Think I'm black off his back. While I rap, not to step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Yes, and not that I'm right, yeah.
Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go, all these people wanna know what you think of them lately.
So success yung anti-badang natin par. Sa mga nahirapan dyan humarap sa badang par, ito gamitin nyo. Hindi na kayo mahirapan par. Iwala lang. Kung nakaabot ka na dito par, palike and follow naman par. Thank you. We love you.
I really hate it, I just wanna make it through all this fake shit, living in the real life, living for some real